Alright guys, I'm here to try to make a video and see if this works to help you out. Alright, so basic idea with dilations is most of the questions I've gotten, reduction and enlargement, it seems like we figured that part out. Just need to remember that when there's an enlargement, the scale factor is greater than 1. If it's a reduction, the scale factor is less than 1. For number 2 down here on the worksheet, your key part here is that the scale factor is 3. Alright? And just like we would normally with scale factor, we're just going to take that 3 and multiply it by our other lengths. So if O to A is 3, O to A prime is 3 times 3, or 9. Alright? If O to A prime is 9, A to A prime is 9 minus 3, which is 6. And we can do that same thing on the other side. Alright? That's how we need to do that one. Alright? The major questions that I've gotten are when we actually have to dilate the shape. Alright? So there's a couple ways that we can do this. I'm going to look down at number 4. Alright? And if you look over here on the left, we have G and we have 1/2, if it'll let me write. Alright, we got the G and we got the 1/2. G means that this point right here, where it says G, that's my center of dilation. So that's basically my point if we're thinking of a normal graph. That's basically my origin for this one. So everything's going to move from that point. So we're going to act like G is 0, 0. Right? From there, right, we're going to label A, B, and C if G is 0, 0. So like A is 2 to the left, so that's -2. Up 2, A would be -2, 2. Alright? Then this 1/2 right here, that's my scale factor. So then what I do is I just take that 1/2 and I multiply it by A. So A prime is going to be -2 times 1/2 is -1. 2 times 1/2 is 1. So I'm going to come over here. Remember, G is my origin, so G is 0, 0. So I go to the left 1, up 1. That point right there, that's A prime. I can do the same thing for the other 2 points. C, notice it's not left or right at all. It's just straight down. It's down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C would be, I'm going to start using B down here. 0, -6, multiply it by 1/2. Well, 0 times anything is 0. -6 times 1/2, -3. That fills in right there. I should have wrote that below it, sorry. And I do the same thing with B. Alright, B is going to be a little bit trickier because it's to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7. And then it's down 1. Alright, now 7 and -1, neither one are going to be even, so we're going to have a little bit of a decimal, so we're going to have to approximate a little bit. 7 times 1/2 is 3.5. -1 times 1/2 is -0.5. So that would be about 1, 2, 3, somewhere right in the middle here. And for some reason it's not wanting to write. So there's B prime, then I just connect them. Alright, that's basically all that we're doing. The other option we got real quick, let me erase this so I have a little bit more room to work with. Alright, the other option I have here, alright, is this time H is in the center, and my scale factor is 2, meaning it's going to get larger. Well, H to D if we come over here is 1, right now is 2 units. And if the scale factor is 2, 2 times 2 becomes 4. So instead of going 1, 2, I double and go 3, 4. And that's my new D. All right. E to F, we can kind of do the same thing. H and F are 1 away. So I'm going to make that 2 away, which comes down pretty close over here. All right. And E, a little bit trickier. You're going 2 over and 1 down. Double both those, we go 4 over and 2 down. All right, and that would be our resulting one there. All right, hopefully that helps. I might be reaching out to some of you to see if this video even recorded and got posted correctly. Bear with me, guys, because as I said, we're all trying something new here. All right, hope everything's going well. I missed you all.